What is up, everyone? Today we're going to be installing the ditch lights. I have two brackets here, and let's go ahead and get started. So first things first is the bracket here. It will come with two in the kit. You have a driver's side and a passenger side. These two holes on the bottom are for mounting it on the hood, and then you can see these tiny little holes are actually meant for zip ties. You have 1, 2, 3, and then 4 zip tie mounts to actually hold the wire from the top of your ditch light. And then up here you have the hole for the ditch light. So pretty simple here, but there are a lot of bends, and I actually designed these and it fits perfectly on the Tacomas. So if you're interested, check in the link below, and let's go ahead with the install. So as you can see, you have a driver's side and a passenger side, and all you have to do is line it up like so. And if the zip tie mounts are in the inside, then you have it in the correct orientation here. But this is the wrong orientation. So this is the driver's side, and then this is the passenger side. Now you can do this by yourself, but it might be a little bit better for your first time to do this with someone else. But all you want to do is just loosen both sides here. You don't ever want to take both screws all the way out, especially if you're by yourself like me right now. But if you have two people, you could take them out, but it's actually easier to just take out one screw first and then slide the bracket on and screw it on. So I'm just going to go ahead and put the bracket on here, slide it underneath the hood, comes around, and then now I have this one threaded, so we can go ahead and loosen the other one. Tighten up the second screw. Now the cool thing about this bracket is you can slide it back and forth. So if you want it further back, you'll be good, or you can actually bring it all the way up. And I like it a little bit closer to the hood, just off the edge of the hood. I think it just looks a little bit cleaner. And then once you find the location that you actually want the bracket on, go ahead and tighten down the screws. Boom. Now go ahead and mount your favorite ditch light here. I'm a college student, so I don't have a crazy amount of money for lights, but definitely got some nice pod lights here. And the cool thing, you can do like a complete 180 or maybe do like a 45-degree angle. Right now, I'm just gonna match it up parallel with the bracket just so it looks real clean. Now notice that the bracket is actually pointed out to the edge of the vehicle, and that's just so the pod light is as far out to the edge as possible so the driver doesn't have any obstructions when they're driving. And then go ahead and use your favorite zip ties here. Zip tie it up. Now this is critical. Before you just go ahead and slam it down, set it down nice and easy, and make sure all of your lines on the edge of the vehicle here are all straight so you didn't screw anything up. You don't want to dent your hood or anything, but all the edges look nice and straight, so we can go ahead and close the hood. And thank you for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video. The ditch light bracket is super easy to install. It really does change the look of your truck. You've got these really beefy pod lights lighting up the trail and everything, so I'm super excited about it. Once again, subscribe and like and comment if you have any questions, and thanks for watching.